Meaning of doddering.
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 Doddering. The word doddering refers to a state of being feeble or unsteady due to old age. It is often associated with physical weakness and mental confusion. People who are doddering may have difficulty walking or speaking clearly, and may struggle with everyday tasks that once came easily to them. They might also experience memory loss or difficulty concentrating. The term is often used in a derogatory way to describe someone who is seen as weak or helpless. Overall, doddering describes a state of decline and frailty that comes with advanced age.